1. 1994 Chevrolet S10 Pro Street Rolling Chassis. Price: $25,000. Located Eustis, Florida. This 1994 Chevrolet S10 is a serious pro street rolling chassis built for high horsepower applications and competitive drag racing use. Offered as a roller only, this truck does not include an engine or transmission, making it an ideal foundation for a custom powertrain build tailored to your racing goals. Constructed with a mild steel double-rail chassis, this S10 is designed to handle big power and is far from a lightweight setup, with an approximate weight of 2,600 pounds. The chassis is fully certified with a current 7.50 sticker and includes up-to-date belts, making it track-ready for sanctioned events. Driver fitment is suitable for individuals up to approximately 6 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 2 inches in height. The cab is steel, while the remainder of the body panels are fiberglass, providing a balance between strength and weight reduction. Out back, the truck is equipped with a Moser bolt-through 9.5-inch rear and featuring 4.86 gearing and robust 40-spline components. The suspension setup includes a 4-link rear with wishbone and anti-roll bar for improved stability under hard launches. Brand new Mickey Thompson front and rear tires are mounted, with the rears measuring 16.5 by 33 by 15. Dual parachutes are installed for high-speed shutdown safety. Additional features include a nitrous-style converter, electric accusump system, halon fire suppression, and 2.5-inch stainless steel headers. This S10 represents a proven, no-nonsense race chassis ready for final assembly and serious track performance. 2. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Blowing Mafia Edition. Price: $80,000. Located Coral Springs, Florida. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street, famously known as the Blowing Mafia Edition, is a high-end custom build that blends show-quality craftsmanship with serious street and performance capability. This Camaro is fully ride-and-drive ready and proudly represents the Blowing Mafia Car Club of Florida. With over $120,000 invested into the build, every component was carefully selected to reflect top-tier quality and attention to detail. The exterior features a flawless, laser-straight custom paint finish that highlights the car's aggressive stance and pro street presence. The bodywork and overall presentation make this Camaro a standout at any event, as proven by its impressive show history. Since completion, the car has been entered into 3 major shows, earning a top 10 placement out of 1,022 vehicles and winning 2 Best in Show awards. Under the hood sits a freshly built 406 cubic inch blower motor that is currently being broken in. The engine has been detuned for comfortable street driving, but with minimal adjustments, it can be transformed into a truly dominant machine. The craftsmanship throughout the build is exceptional, reflecting professional-level execution from start to finish. This Camaro is not just a showpiece, but a complete, refined pro street car that speaks for itself. It offers a rare opportunity to own a nationally competitive build with proven pedigree, premium components, and undeniable presence both on the street and on the show floor. 3. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Price: $42,000. Located Land O'Lakes, Florida. This 1970 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe is a true rally sport car that has been carefully owned and maintained for over a decade. Having spent 7 years in California, the vehicle benefits from a rust-free body, making it an excellent foundation for both street and performance enthusiasts. Finished in red with a black interior, this Camaro delivers classic muscle car appeal with modern performance upgrades throughout. Power comes from a professionally built 565 cubic inch engine by Beals Racing, featuring a Merlin block, forged rotating assembly, hydraulic roller camshaft, and high-performance aluminum cylinder heads. The engine combination is designed for strong, reliable pump gas street performance while delivering impressive power. A quick fuel carburetor and performance intake complete the setup. The drivetrain includes a TH400 transmission built by Cone Engineering, equipped with a manual reverse valve body, trans brake, and performance stall converter. Suspension and braking systems have been upgraded with 4-wheel disc brakes, Mustang 2-rack and pinion steering, and adjustable rear suspension components. Inside, the car retains its original dash and door panels while featuring Kirky racing seats and modern gauges. Additional highlights include electric windows, an 8-point roll cage, mini-tubbed rear end, performance wheels, and near-new drag tires. This Camaro is a balanced, street-driven RS that combines classic styling with serious muscle. 4. 1985 Buick Regal Pro Street Roller. Price: $29,000. Located Chicago, Illinois. This 1985 Buick Regal Pro Street Roller is a purpose-built drag car platform designed for competitive performance and future customization. Offered as a roller, this vehicle previously housed a large displacement big block engine and is now ready for a new power plant of your choice. The car features a fully built 4-link suspension setup and carries an 8.50 certification, making it suitable for organized drag racing events. The chassis is constructed with all-steel body panels and full glass, with the exception of the windows, ensuring strength and durability. A chrome moly cage enhances safety while maintaining a clean, professional appearance. The rear end is equipped with Mark Williams components, including heavy-duty 40-spline axles designed to handle extreme power levels. The car rides on large rear tires sized for serious traction, supported by a proven suspension geometry that delivers stability and consistency on launch. With only limited recent use as a roller, the condition remains solid and well-maintained. This Regal represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a certified, ready-to-finish pro street or drag car without starting from scratch. Whether built for all-motor, boosted, or power-adder applications, this chassis provides a strong and reliable foundation for a competitive high-horsepower build. 5. 1970 Pontiac GTO Clone Pro Street Project. Price: $14,000. Located Buffalo, Indiana. This 1970 Pontiac GTO Clone is a classic muscle car project built from a 1971 Lemons platform and carefully transformed to replicate the iconic GTO appearance. Offered as a roller, this vehicle does not include an engine, making it an excellent candidate for a custom drivetrain installation tailored to the buyer's vision. The car is equipped with a 4-speed M20 manual transmission and factory-style bucket seats, reinforcing its traditional muscle car character. The body is solid and well-preserved, showing no rust issues. The frame is clean and spotless, and the floor pans remain strong and original. All glass is intact, and the vehicle features a factory GM GTO doghouse rather than an aftermarket replacement, adding authenticity to the build. The rear bumper is new, while the quarter panels are in good condition with no signs of rust or previous repairs. There is a small hole in the trunk area, approximately quarter-sized, and minor cosmetic imperfections are present. The dash has a few cracks, and paint damage is visible on both B-pillars due to seat belts shifting during transport. The only noticeable bodywork appears around the rear window, suggesting the car may have originally been equipped with a vinyl top. Having been stored for approximately 20 years, this GTO clone offers a strong foundation for restoration or pro street styling. It is an ideal project for enthusiasts seeking a solid classic with long-term potential. 6. 1963 Ford Falcon Futura Race Car Roller. Price: $23,000. Located Fort Worth, Texas. This 1963 Ford Falcon Futura is a purpose-built race car roller designed strictly for track use. Sold without an engine or transmission, it provides a clean and professional platform for competitive drag racing or custom performance builds. The body is predominantly all steel, with the exception of a lightweight fiberglass hood and durable Lexan windows, balancing strength with weight savings. Underneath, the Falcon is supported by a mild steel square-tube chassis featuring a full funny car cage. Although previously certified, the certification has expired, allowing the next owner to update it to meet current racing requirements. The suspension system is well-equipped with Art Morrison ladder bars, Santif double-adjustable front struts, and rear coilover shocks, ensuring stability and adjustability at launch. Braking performance is handled by aerospace components up front and Willwood brakes in the rear. The car rides on Weld Alimaster wheels, with large Mickey Thompson rear tires mounted for maximum traction. The drivetrain setup includes a 9-inch rear end with a bolt-through aluminum center section, Moser 40-spline gun-drilled axles, and 4.56 gears. Additional features include BBC motor plates, headers, MSD grid ignition, and K&R wiring with ProCube. This Falcon is a serious race-ready foundation ideal for experienced builders. 7. 1977 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street. Price: $12,500. Located Parrish, Florida. This 1977 Chevrolet Monza Pro Street is a unique and increasingly hard-to-find classic that combines vintage styling with street-friendly performance upgrades. Finished in silver with a black interior, this Monza stands out due to its aggressive stance and pro street setup, while remaining a comfortable cruiser. Vehicles like this are rarely seen, making it an appealing option for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Power comes from a 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet, paired with an automatic transmission featuring a manual valve body. The drivetrain is supported by a strong 9-inch rear and designed to handle spirited driving. Large rear tires measuring 31 by 18.5 provide excellent traction, while new front tires help maintain proper balance and road manners. Despite its performance-focused configuration, the car retains its factory interior, preserving its classic appeal and everyday usability. This balance makes the Monza suitable not only for casual cruising, but also for local shows and weekend events. The car runs well and has proven itself as a reliable driver rather than a static project. With approximately 77,000 miles shown, this Monza represents an affordable entry into the pro street world. It is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking something different from the usual muscle car lineup, while still enjoying strong performance and unmistakable character. 8. 1974 Plymouth Duster 344 Speed. Price: $26,000. Located Deltona, Florida. This 1974 Plymouth Duster 340 is a classic Mopar muscle car that delivers authentic performance with period-correct upgrades and a true 4-speed driving experience. Equipped with the desirable 340 cubic inch engine, this Duster runs and drives very strong, making it a solid example of vintage street and strip capability. The manual transmission enhances driver engagement and preserves the raw character that Mopar enthusiasts appreciate. The car features a collection of era-appropriate performance modifications that reflect traditional muscle car tuning. These include upgraded cylinder heads, performance headers, intake manifold, and camshaft, all selected to complement the 340 platform. A race-style clutch ensures dependable power transfer, while slapper bars and drag-oriented suspension components improve traction during hard acceleration. The rear end is geared with aggressive 3.96 gearing, reinforcing the car's strong off-the-line performance and making it well-suited for spirited driving. Drag-style wheels further emphasize the car's muscle heritage and visual stance. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, the vehicle maintains a cohesive and classic appearance that aligns well with its performance focus. Although the mileage reflects long-term use, the vehicle has clearly been cared for and continues to perform reliably. This Plymouth Duster represents an excellent opportunity to own a genuine 4-speed Mopar with the right combination of originality, tasteful modifications, and strong road presence. It is well suited for collectors, weekend cruisers, or enthusiasts seeking a true old-school muscle car experience. 9. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Roller. Price: $15,000. Located Spring Hill, Florida. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Roller is a solid, all-steel foundation built for high-performance street or drag applications. Offered as a roller, this Camaro does not currently include an engine or transmission, allowing the next owner complete freedom to select a powertrain suited to their goals. The car has been professionally back-halved and features ladder bars with coilover suspension, providing excellent strength and traction potential. A 10-point roll cage is installed for added safety and structural rigidity, while the factory dash has been retained to preserve classic interior styling. The car is equipped with a new windshield, full steel body panels, and new full quarter panels, ensuring a strong and clean exterior structure. A 6-inch cowl hood adds aggressive pro street appearance and accommodates larger engine combinations. The rear is built around a fabricated 9-inch housing with 35 spline axles, supported by quality suspension components. ProStar wheels are mounted at the rear with matching front wheels, all fitted with new tires. Braking is handled by new aerospace disc brakes at all four corners. Additional features include rack and pinion steering, tubular control arms, QA1 front coilovers, a 10-gallon fuel cell, and an Ultra Pro light steering column. This Camaro represents a well-prepared Pro Street platform ready for final assembly and serious performance use.